If you are watching this from the United States, I want you to take a deep breath and look at your reality. We are in 2026. The price of a home in California or Texas has doubled. A simple grocery trip to Walmart or Target cost twice what it did 3 years ago. You were told that if you followed the rules, got the degree, paid your taxes, and put money in your 401k, you would be safe. But the truth is, the system has moved the goalposts. While you were sleeping, the American dream was sold to the highest bidder. You aren't broke because you are lazy. You are broke because you are playing a game where the rules are rigged against you. This is WealthioZyn, and over the next 50 minutes, I am going to show you the blueprint to the cage you are living in, and more importantly, how to break the lock. Chapter 1. The Debt Trap and the IRS Secret. Let's talk about the first reason you stay poor. The debt cycle. In America, debt is marketed as a lifestyle. From the moment you turn 18, banks are hunting you with credit card offers and student loans. By the time you start your career, you are already $50,000 in the hole. Then comes the IRS. Did you know that the tax code in the USA is over 70,000 pages long? It wasn't written for you. It was written for the corporations. The average American works from January to May just to pay their taxes. You are essentially a modern-day sharecropper, working the land but keeping none of the harvest. We analyze how the 1% use legal tax loopholes to pay 0%, while you pay 30%. Chapter 2. The Silent Thief, Inflation and Central Banks. Why does your $100 bill feel like a $20 bill? Because of the Federal Reserve. Since 2020, trillions of dollars have been printed out of thin air. When the supply of money goes up, the value of your labor goes down. This is the silent thief called inflation. In this chapter, we explain why saving is actually the worst financial advice in 2026. If you have $10,000 in a savings account, you are losing purchasing power every single hour. We show you how the wealthy move their money into hard assets like Bitcoin, gold, and real estate to stay ahead of the curve, while the middle class is wiped out. Chapter 3. The AI Takeover, the Death of the 9-to-5. Silicon Valley has changed the world forever. In 2026, AI isn't just a tool, it's a replacement. Millions of white-collar jobs, accountants, paralegals, junior coders are being automated. If your income depends on you showing up for 8 hours a day to do a repetitive task, you are in the danger zone. The 9-to-5 is no longer a safety net. It's a single point of failure. We discuss why you need to develop high-income digital skills that AI cannot easily replicate. You must shift from being a worker to a creator or an owner of technology. Chapter 4. The Psychology of the 99%. Wealth is 20% mechanics and 80% psychology. Most people stay poor because of their circle. If you surround yourself with 5 broke people, you will be the 6th. We talk about the crab in a bucket mentality common in American suburbs where friends and family subconsciously pull you down when you try to climb out. We explore instant gratification. Why do people buy the latest iPhone or a new SUV on a 7-year loan? Because they are trying to look rich instead of actually being rich. We break down the WealthioZyn habits. Deep work, delayed gratification, and extreme self-education. Chapter 5. The WealthioZyn Exit Blueprint. As we close this 50-minute masterclass, I want you to realize that the door is still open. 2026 is the year of the Great Divide. You are either going to be a victim of the new economy or a master of it. To escape, you must kill all high-interest debt, build a skill stack that the global market values, invest every spare dollar into cash-flowing assets, join a community of like-minded builders, subscribe to WealthioZyn. We are building a tribe of individuals who refuse to be average. The system didn't give you this information, but now that you have it, you have no excuses. The journey to the 1% starts now.